The space before remodel was cluttered, chaotic. We have 6 children, 3 still at home, and there was stuff piled up everywhere. There was drinks from Costco piled in our old dining room, stuff piled on the countertops. We just were running out of space. The thing we wanted to improve the most was just a more modern design, just make it livable and functional.
So I'd say Dercon was very professional throughout the process from start to finish. I was extremely happy with the planning and the work, and very happy with the quality of the material that was being used and the quality of the finished product, and just how detailed they were to make all the finishes look just how they're supposed to be.
They took all of our ideas and concepts and made it a reality and hit it spot on.
I think we're extremely proud of our new kitchen and just the look it brings and the functionality of it.
The remodels impacted my day-to-day just because I have space, I have functionality in my kitchen, I have storage in my kitchen, and I have places to put everything. When I step into my new kitchen, and actually this whole main level, because it's kind of all been updated, it's actually refreshing. It's clean, it's updated. It's actually a very good, happy feeling.
I think everyone should consider Dercon for their remodeling project. I was just overwhelmed by how great the project went from beginning to end.
Dercon nailed it.